Today, we are making a pair of earrings that would make a beautiful gift for any bridesmaid. Using round nose pliers, form a loop at the end of silver-plated wire. Use silver-plated wire with a diameter of 0.6 mm or similar. Next, slide on a sparkly crystal bead. I am using a silver crystal bicone bead with a diameter of 4 mm. Bend the wire slightly above the bead. Trim the wire, leaving a segment of wire that is long enough to allow you form another loop. This should be about 8 mm. Form a loop using round nose pliers. Open one of the loops using chain nose pliers. Slide on a ready-made ear wire. Close the loop using chain nose pliers again. Open the other loop and slide in a decorative pendant. And close the loop using chain nose pliers. Make the other earring in the same way. If you would like to learn how to make more beautiful accessories, visit our website www.weddingcraftsacademy.com for more information.